go. What is it? Christmas Lift the Flap Shadow Book. Cool. Yeah, cool. Look, you can lift the flaps. Who's that? It's Santa and a reindeer. Be gentle, don't rip it, okay? Yeah. Santa. Try the next page. Look, more flaps. Presents. That's it. That's the first page. Look. Presents. Candy. Presents. Who's under here? Oh, elves. Look, here's another one. What do you decorate with your family? The Christmas tree. You can get it. There you go. Reindeer. We'll try the next page. Oh, that's it. That's the last page. Okay. Uh-oh. Be careful. Reindeer.